Let's help you do your own fruit kefir at home. Probiotic drinks. So you first need those grains. Look at them. They look like kind of couscous grains. You can find these fruit kefir grains in an organic store. You may find there some dehydrated ones, so you put them during a couple days with water and 2-3 spoons of sugar at a room temperature, so that you will get them alive and ready to give you some kefir within 36 hours or so. They're different from the grains you need to do the milky one, the dairy. These are for fruit kefir only, light and fresh beverage. So here I show you what we need. We need some organic sugar, lemon and lime, or one or the other. A big pot, I took a 5-liter one. These are the grains. You need approximately 2-3 tablespoons. These are the dried figs. And utensils, we don't use metal. This is important for the grains to stay alive. If you have, like me, a big pot, get rid of the cover. We don't need the top because we're going to use a compress. This is my lemon juice that I just squeezed. Half of it for 1 liter is enough. I'm going to pour it into my jar now. In front of you, one hand to hold the camera and the other hand to do it. So now we're going to add the sugar. 1 spoon, 2, 3, 4 spoons of sugar. Okay, now I just had 1 liter of natural, light and good water. Let's, for instance, take spring water, and you shake it gently. It's quite hard with my only one hand. I'm not going to do it for a long time, but you should do it for at least 1 minute would be fine, so that the sugar starts melting a bit. Okay, my pot is quite heavy. Here we are. Just have to add the figs. So I took 2 and I cut them. The dry fruit, you can use whatever dry fruit you like. Okay, now we add the grains. 1 spoon. Second spoon. And I put a little more because, as you can see, my spoon is in between a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Here we go. And gently shake again. Quite heavy pot. Okay. You see, everything stays at the bottom. Let's cover it now. So you use a compress. That's the best so that the air can go through. I'll try to do it one hand again. Not so easy. Let's try to put it on like this. Good. See, thanks to the compress, the air can go through. And this is a fermenting process, so we need oxygen. Okay, but we don't want the flies to get into it, so this is the way we do it. The best is a compress. Now I come back to you after 36 hours of fermenting process. And here we will get rid of the fruits. So first you take a spoon and try it. It should be fizzy. and that means the process is done. If it's not fizzy enough, you can leave it a few more hours before getting rid of the fruits like this. Remember, you only use plastic utensils. Come here, this little fig. You see the figs, they're without any sugar anymore, so they're not very good to eat. You throw the fruits away. Okay, I've done my 4 liters and I kept the last liter to show you how to get the grains, because we're gonna use them again. So this is the last bottle. Okay, and you take the grains, you're gonna rinse them and use it again and again and again, and they will grow. You will have some more. And here we go, look at that fabulous color. It comes from the figs, but it looks like raspberries. So you will sometimes use different dried fruits and get different colors like yellow or whatever you will use. So now we just have to close the bottle, set it in the fridge, and drink it during 1 week. Enjoy!